Assalamualaikum to all students of the grade 7. This lecture is basically the continuation of your running exercise 6A, and today we'll be discussing question number 3, 4 and 8. Okay, want to make sure 2-3 things to you people. Lecture is going to be very comfortable for you today, so don't worry about that. But question number 3 and 4, these are basically falling in the basic level, and question number 8, basically this is falling in the category of intermediate level. And I have assigned you this question as a home assignment, so that I want you people to just muscle your mind a little bit on that. So this will be interesting. And secondly, that the next lectures that we are going to deliver there will be related to graphs. So I ask you people to purchase a graph notebook. You can purchase individual graphs as well, easily available on all the stationery shops that you have close to your homes easily. But I would rather suggest you people to purchase a graph notebook. It has maybe 20-30 pages. And there are two types of graph available in the market, basically inches and centimeter scale. So you can purchase whatever you want. It doesn't really make a massive difference. But the next lecture, it is integral part of the next lecture that you must have graph papers with you. So I hope that you people will be having those so that you can understand the next lecture with a better ease. And we haven't done with question number 2 yet. Okay, don't worry about it. We have only just done the question number 1. And question number 2 and the other question, except this one, is actually the part of your graphical portion. So I'm not going to discover those parts at the moment. Okay, now we're moving to question number 3. But please place the book in front of you so that you can have a better understanding of the statement of the question as well as the solution. So I hope that you people have done that. So let us move to question number 3 now. Now what's happening in this question, if you just read out the statement, I'm just going to define the basic summary of that. You are given with the equation y is equal to 4x plus 5. And you people already know through the lecture number 1, this is a linear equation. What is meant by linear equation? It has degree 1. Okay, the maximum power of this equation is 1. Got that? And be it y or be it x, both the values have power 1. So one thing I've already defined you in the last lecture as well, that a graph of linear equation is always a straight line. At the moment we're not discussing with graphs, so don't worry about it. Okay, what he has asked us that it has 2 parts. I've done only one. The other one obviously will be your assignment. That x is equal to 3, find the value of y. So it's very comfortable, a very basic strategy that you just have to simply plug the value of x is equal to 3 in the given equation. Look what I've done. It's a solution part. Put x is equal to 3 in given equation. So y is equal to, the given equation was y is equal to 4x plus 5. What I have done is 4 into 3 because x value has been given as 3. And plus 5 is as it is, obviously. Please make sure that the multiplication and addition relation should be followed very separately. 4x means that x is in multiple of 4. It's very understood. So obviously I will write it in the bracket or a multiple, whatever you want. Better to go with brackets. And now as you already know, the mathematics simplification rule by the board maths, that first we have to multiply and then we will add. So 4 into 3 is 12 and then we will add simply to get our y answer, that is 70. So I don't think so there is anything difficult in that. You will try the other part as well. And I hope that you will find very comfortable. Just remember one thing for convenience, that if you are multiplying 2 values, for example, one is positive and other is negative, don't forget the answer is coming in negative. Okay, so please make sure that sign rule. I hope that you understand. Same signs when multiplies, they give positive sign, and opposite sign when multiplies gives negative sign. So this is something I want you people to remember. Now coming to question number 4, it's the very same part, but basically it's a reverse process of whatever you've done on the upside. This time is given again an equation, y is equal to 25 minus 3x. And this is again a linear equation. Y, you already knew that. So this time he hasn't asked me the value of y by putting the value of x. He's done the reverse case. He has given me the value of y, that is 34. And now he is asking me to calculate the value of x. So the only addition in this particular question will be, the separation of the value of x from other side. Because at the moment this equation is in terms of x in terms of y. So we have to reverse the equation. But I won't take the time in that particular step. We can simply put the values as well. So keep it simple. Put pi is equal to 34 in the given equation. So you can see that I've put 34 in place of y and minus 3x is as it is. Now I can simply take this 25 on the left side and this will become negative. Why I'm doing that? You know the approach that whenever you have to find the value of a variable in an equation, you separate that variable on one side. Better to shift it on the left side, but at the moment it's on the right, so I've kept it on the right. The approach, the strategy is that all the constants should go on the other side and variables should remain on the one side. This is the basic strategy. This is the approach that we have to follow. So what is happening? 25 was with x, 25 minus 3 was on the same side, so I first shifted 25 on the other side. And obviously when you shift the number, you know already that how the things alter. Signs are altered and as well as the functions are altered sometimes. Okay, 35 minus 25 is 9, very comfortable to evaluate, and minus 3 is obviously on the right side. Now this minus 3 is in multiple of x. It's not subtracting, please note the point. Just like in the question number 1, 4x plus 5, so 4 into 3 is what we have done. Because x and 4 are in multiple. Similarly, minus 3x, this is a negative number only, but it is in multiple, it's not in minus, okay? So this minus 3 will be divided there. It won't be added here. If you have done this minus 3 on the other side and 9 plus 3, it's obviously going to be, completely destroy the question. Okay, if it would have been x minus 3, then it would have been the case, 9 plus 3 on the other side. But minus 3 in multiple, it will go in the divider. Doesn't matter the negative sign. So you will simply divide 9 by 3, so very comfortable to evaluate 3. And the negative will always be shifting on the numerator side. It's never right to write the denominator sign negative. Okay, so x is equal to minus 3, your final answer. This is up for the lecture, and you have to evaluate the remaining parts of these two questions. And question number 8, obviously it is of intermediate level, but I would like you people to just evaluate, because if I simply do this there, the creativity level won't be tested nicely. So I want you people to take your minds on it, and I hope that you will simply calculate the answers of that question as well. So okay, best of luck. Thank you.